Hello guys, how have you been? I hope you all are fit and fine. Before I posted the first video on this channel, I thought that I would put only two videos on this channel. But guys, I am having so many queries from you, and also my friends suggested that I should make another video to address the queries of the candidate, to help those candidates who are confused. So I am here with another video. Here I want to mention one thing, that I am not going to do any effort to edit this video. This video is going to be in just raw form. I want to mention another thing, that all those positive comments that I am having on my previous videos, I really appreciate those comments. It means a lot to me, and it is those comments which inspire me to make this video. I have gone through all the comments from my previous video and pick up most common queries that candidate having. Here you should note that those queries that I didn't pick up, it is either covered in my previous video, or it would be mentioned properly in the call-up instruction. So you have to carefully read call-up instruction and go through my both previous video. So the first query candidate having is regarding call letter. So guys, if you got shortlisted in this process, you will get mail that you are shortlisted in SSC 56, and you are required to report at this selection center on this date and at this time. And then as a proof, you can download call-up instructions from official website of Indian Army, and also you can download application form by giving login details. And yeah, you will not receive the call letter by the post. You have to take print out of all these things, as I stated earlier. The another most common query candidate having is regarding medical certi. I have seen there are so many confusion regarding medical certi. So I need to clear all these things. So there are two type of tests. There are two type of corona or COVID-19 test. The first test is called rapid test, or it is also called RDT. RDT means rapid diagnostic test. I have done that test. Actually in that test you will have the report within 30 minutes. And another test is called RT-PCR, and in this test you will have report by 2 or 3 days. So, and I think if you would consider economic aspect, then you would go for rapid test, because it in government hospital it is done freely. And another thing is, as mentioned in call-up letter instruction, either asymptomatic certificate signed by government doctor or COVID negative report by the lab approved by ICMR is required. So any one thing is required from both things that is mentioned in call-up letter. So the third query is, what if there is any mismatch in the name and the details of the candidate. So as per instructions in call-up letter, you can get affidavit from the authority, from the notary officer, and in that affidavit each and every detail should be mentioned properly, and the name from your matriculation certificate is only allowed in that case. The next query is exactly how much time is provided in OIR. As I told in previous video, we were told that you would be provided with 27 minutes, but some repeaters say that they provide only 15 minutes. So I don't know, as we didn't have the wristwatch, but yeah, you should take 15 to 20 minutes as ideal time. Guys, now let's move to some short queries. The first query is, all these rules, all these instructions is same for all SSB center. So yeah, there are 4 SSB center. First one is Kapurthala, second one is Allahabad, third one is Bhopal, and I don't know the fourth one. But yeah, all these details, all this instruction and all these rules are, I think, should be same for all SSB centers. The next query is, what was the picture for PPDT? So as I already mentioned in my previous video, all these details, so you should see that video. And next query is, रिपोर्टिंग कितनी थी एंड स्क्रीन इन कितने हुए एंड रिव्यू कमांड कितने हुए. तो एग्जैक्टली 118 कैंडिडेट were reported, out of which only 18 candidate got screened in. And in the case of recommendation, you have to understand guys, there are 3 stages of screening. The first stage, in stage 1 itself, The second stage is during conference. If you if you would pass in conference test, then also it is not sure that you would be recommended. Let's say 10 candidate is passed in the conference test, but recommended candidate would be only 5, and those remaining 5 candidate is called merit out candidate. They passed the conference test but they could not be recommended, and they called the merit out candidate. So this needs to be taken care of. And the last query is, will they provided rough sheet for OIR test? So they didn't provided any rough sheet for OIR test, and as I told you that it would be better if you would not write anything in the question paper too, because it is to test your psychology. And the second thing is, the calculation is easy. You don't need even pen. You just have to mark the option number A, B, C and D, and you don't even need to do any calculation. It is that easy. But the problem is time. 50 questions were provided, and you just have 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 50 question, and same for paper 2. So that is it, guys. I think I have mentioned all the important queries that you are having, and if you still have any query, then let me know in the comment below. I will try to answer your questions if I can. Okay, bye bye, take care.